Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming compatibility and powering the extender. This saves troubleshooting later. First, check the Bluetooth version on your phone or PC and match it to the extender. Mismatches can limit range or codecs. Once done, plug the extender into a stable outlet or ensure its battery is above 50% to avoid intermittent dropouts. Make sure to position it roughly 3 to 10 meters from the source for the initial pairing. Closer is better for the first connection. You now pair and tune placement to optimize performance. Put the extender into pairing mode using its button or LED cue. This enables discovery. Then, on your phone, tablet, or PC, open Bluetooth settings, scan, and select the extender name. Accept any pairing codes. After a successful connection, play audio or a short video to verify latency and signal quality. Next, move the extender to roughly the midpoint between source and receiver, because clear line of sight reduces. You finish by locking in settings and knowing one fast fix. Once audio and range are stable, update the extender firmware if prompted, updates optimize performance, and label the device in your Bluetooth list for easy reconnection. If audio drops, reboot the extender and source. This often clears temporary conflicts. If reconnecting still fails, remove the device and repair. One key troubleshooting tip: if interference continues, move the extender just half a meter to 1 meter. Small shifts often eliminate competing signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.